What's up, guys? Today we're here to talk about our wireless remote for our hydraulic dovetail. On our hydraulic dovetails, you have a corded remote stowed away, but you also have the wireless remote. Now, this particular trailer was outfitted with hydraulic jacks and a hydraulic dovetail. But one of my favorite features about having the wireless remote come standard with the hydraulic dovetail is being able to sit on your equipment and be lowered at the same time. For operation of the remote, this particular model has the hydraulic jacks and the hydraulic dovetail, which is why it has 4 buttons. Initially, your remote will be in sleep mode. This is a safety feature so that you're not going down the road and one of your jacks or your hydraulic dovetail start to go down. What you want to do is press and hold the number 1 and 2 for about 6 seconds, and this brings the remote out of sleep mode. So what you want to do to get your hydraulic dovetail to go down is just to hit the number 2 button and your dovetail starts to go down. To go up, simply hit the number 1. And similarly, for our hydraulic jacks, it's just going to be our 3 and 4. 4 to raise it up, 3 to bring it back down. To learn more about features and other popular upgrades, hop onto our Learning Center. Now, while you do that, I'm going to keep playing with this because honestly, it's fun.